Alright guys, welcome to the best Monopoly Go hack this year and of all time. How to get unlimited dice rolls instantly into your Monopoly Go account. Super quick, fast and easy, works on Android and iOS, and we'll get to the tutorial. I've just done the hack, but yeah, you can see the dice is rolling in my account right now as we speak, after doing the steps I'm about to show you. So it's pretty awesome, works perfectly well. Yeah. So this is what my Monopoly Go app looks like. Here's my account. Those are my settings. So first you want to go and type this website in, appgen.pro. So there's some different apps here, but today we'll go with Monopoly Go. As you can see, Android or iOS, I've got Android today, and just punch in your account name and you'll have this screen saying connecting account. Now you choose how many dice rolls you would like. I'll go with 50,000 for today. In most cases, you will see a message that says injection completed. This means that the app has been successfully injected into your device and you are done. However, there might be one more step that you need to complete before you can finish. This step might vary depending on your device model and operating system, but it's usually simple. Verify your account. This step ensures that only real players will use this hack. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a tutorial on how to do it. Just follow the instructions on the screen and complete this step as soon as possible. All right, I don't want to make this video too long, so I will skip the video here and come back to you when I am done everything. And afterwards, your screen should say the same as mine, success, and the dice rolls are getting ready to go straight into our account. Exciting stuff. So we'll go back into my Monopoly Go and give it a few seconds and you should see the dice rolls appearing in the account. There we go. Works instantly, works perfectly. Just follow the video and you'll have these dice rolls in your Monopoly Go app in no time. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Let me know what you thought about it and enjoy those dice rolls, knowing that you don't need to worry about purchasing any more or running out ever again. But yeah, thanks for watching. Have an awesome day. We'll just keep watching the dice rolls for now.